Do you need help trading? Are you struggling? And are you trying to figure out the game of how to day trade and become profitable? Well, guess what? You found the right person. My name is Jason, aka Day Trading Fearless, and I've been day trading the markets for the past 23 plus years. And I want to help you be able to become a better day trader. So, how can I do that? Well, I offer three things. First thing is my knowledge. Okay, I have a free ebook where if you go down in the description, you could sign up for it. It's my #1 day trading strategy. My #2 thing that I offer is a video course, about 9 hours worth of pure trading content. And it's my top 4 day trading strategies that I use on a daily basis. And I've been using these for years. And I want to share them with you and hopefully make you a better day trader. If you use coupon code 200, get $200 off the course. And then finally, I offer one-on-one coaching online or via phone, whichever you want. And maybe I can help you understand how to become a better day trader. I want to help traders and give you the reality of trading. I'm not going to tell you, oh yeah, go make 10 grand and on one trade. Listen, most people, their mental mindset is not even capable of doing it, right? And what I mean by that is just think of risking 10 grand and losing that entire 10 grand. To make 10 grand, let's say you do a one-to-one risk reward. You risk 10 grand to make 10 grand. If you lose that trade, can you afford to lose that 10 grand? And then when you lose, are you able to jump right back in to the market on the very next trade and maybe risk another 10 grand just to make the first back? Most people can't do it. So I want to give you real expectations. But again, all my info is down below in the description. Just send me an email if you have any questions, and hopefully we'll talk to you soon.